Oh, wait, let me see back. Let me see back. Come on. Is that better? Okay, I think so. Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Raylan.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer.
And today I will be showing y'all how to do a messy curly bun hair tutorial. So, if you want to know how to do that, you better continue watching this video, girl or boy, whoever watching this video. So let's get started. So I got my spray bottle. Yeah, I'll put all the links in the descriptions for everything that I use in this video in the description box, so make sure y'all check that out. Got my Creme of Nature Argan oil, perfect edges. And then you know, I know a lot of people don't talk about this product, but baby, this is it. Maui Moisture, come at me. I love you so much. I love you so much, Maui Moisture. So please come sponsor me. But y'all, look, it's the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie for thick curly hair, and I have thick curly hair. Y'all been see in a minute because I gotta take it down and brush it up. And of course, girl, boy, whoever watching this, I gotta have my brush. So I got my hard side and then I got my soft bristle side. So let's get into the video. All right, so first of all, girl, so I'm gonna take my hair down. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so now the hair is out and whatever. Now I'll go and spray it. So I use my spray bottle and yeah, so I'm gonna just spray a little bit. Just in like parts of my hair. I do not like drench my whole head, because if I was gonna drench my whole head, I would have just jumped in the shower. But what happens is I just bottom, just go all around your hair. Just spray all around your hair, basically. Especially the more drier areas, because you don't want to, I know it's a messy bun tutorial, but you don't want it to be a dry hair tutorial. So now I take my Maui Moisture, and I don't even use a lot. Like, I just take about this much, put in my fingers, and just kind of like just rake it through my hair, just so I can kind of add some more curls. Well, not, but to moisturize the curls. So I add some of this to moisturize some of the curls. But you know, we're not going to define, like we're not separating our hair and defining it all the way, but I like just putting it through my hair. So now take it, so girl, so now I take this and I take my ponytail holder, and I know y'all like, okay, so what's she about to do? So I pull my hair, pull my head up like this. So I hold it like this, y'all. Okay, now push it, grab this, okay, and push my hair up like that. Make sure I shape it up, then use the ponytail. Make sure all the hair goes through. Okay. Okay. Now I just form the bun the way that I want it to be formed. I think I like that. Okay. That's cute. Oh, hold on, let me fix it a little bit more. Okay, so now So here's my little edge comb brush thing. So I like to wet it a little bit, and I just when I wet it, I like to just kind of like make a little bit of a curl. So I take a little bit of this so that my hair can like curl up, because it's more of a mess. So do the same to the other side. It's only you however you like your edges to be done, but I'm not done with my edges, so y'all better not click on and be like, she do not know what she doing. No, I'm not done, y'all. I'm not done. So I just set them out like this. Okay. Now I take my handy dandy edge control and I just put some of it on. Take that wide. Okay, I'm gonna spray it again. I'm so crazy. Okay, you assume that I must be mad at you. So what if I wake up with an attitude? You assume that I must be mad at you. I don't want to sleep on the wrong side. No, it hurts, but I swear that I had to. So what if I wake up with an attitude? You assume that I must be mad at you. No, I won't nothing on the wrong side. Now we in the bad mood, yeah. Y'all, so if you want to, you can leave, like some people like to leave parts out like that. I personally like to keep mine in there. But yeah, that's the tutorial. It was really quick and easy. I don't like to go all out on my edges when it's like just messy, but that's just me personally. But if you do want to see me go all out for my edges, and you want me to do like an edge control, an edges tutorial or something, I can do that for you. But so I want to end this off on a positive note. Our hair types are beautiful, baby. No matter what type of hair type you have, it's beautiful. And I don't want you to ever think that your hair is not beautiful. Because, baby, if God gave it to you, then it's beautiful. So, don't let the world tell you what's not pretty or what should be pretty. No. The world doesn't tell you that, okay? Because the world didn't make you, God made you. So, I mean, that's all I gotta say. So, yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it. Because I haven't done like a hair tutorial in a long time. So, I'm thinking about doing a curly hair tutorial, like more so an outdated. I need to actually, yeah, I am going to do one because my whole tutorial is totally different. Yeah, but I hope y'all like this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, share with a friend, and tell me if this helped you or whatever. Say whatever you want in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay positive, stay happy, and dream big, baby. Oh, girl. and drink big, baby. Yeah, so y'all have a great day. Stay blessed. Peace.